What is email infrastructure and why is it important to have a robust one? Continue watching to find out. Hello, and welcome to Mailtrap videos, where we explore the world of emails. Email infrastructure is a set of software and hardware components that take care of email delivery from the moment you press the send button. Think of it as a postal system that combines postal offices, staff who sort through mail, delivery services, and postal carriers who bring mail to your doorstep. In a similar way, email infrastructure combines mail agents, servers, IP addresses, sending domains, authentication protocols, and feedback loops. Mail agents take care of the whole process, from sending to transferring to delivering the emails to the recipient's mailbox. At the same time, email servers send and deliver the emails and retrieve them. SMTP server is responsible for sending and delivering emails, while IMAP and POP3 are used to retrieve the emails from the receiving server. Watch our other videos to learn more about the differences between these servers. IP address is also a vital component of email infrastructure. It's a numerical address of the domain determined by the Domain Name System, or DNS. An IP can be shared or dedicated, but each of them significantly impacts the sender reputation and email deliverability. We've covered shared and dedicated IPs in another video, so check it out. Another crucial component of email infrastructure is the sending domain. It's the domain that tells the server who is sending the emails. So instead of gmail.com, your emails will be from yourcompany.com. This can significantly improve your deliverability, especially if you've authenticated the domain properly. Remember that it's mandatory to warm up your dedicated IP address and sending domain before you start sending large volumes of emails. A warm-up is the process of sending a small volume of emails, gradually increasing it, and monitoring all vital metrics and deliverability every day. These practices help complete the warm-up successfully and improve deliverability in the long run. Then we've got authentication protocols such as SPF, DKIM, DMARC, and BIMI. They verify a sender's legitimacy and prevent spoofing and phishing, helping deliver emails to the inboxes. However, incorrectly set up authentication protocols can result in undelivered emails, soft bounces, and a reduced sender reputation. For more on email bounces, watch our dedicated video. The last component of email infrastructure is a feedback loop, a service most mailbox providers offer. It allows senders to be notified when recipients mark their emails as spam. Email infrastructure can be managed and self-managed. In the managed infrastructure, third-party providers take care of scaling and analytics. This option is suitable for any business using emails as a communication channel. On the other hand, in the self-managed infrastructure, you have to take care of scaling and analytics yourself. This is quite challenging, especially if your sending volume is high. Self-managed infrastructure is usually only used by governments and other high-level organizations dealing with confidential data. Whichever the type, a robust email infrastructure is essential for sending emails securely and avoiding malicious attacks. It also plays a vital role in determining your sender reputation and overall deliverability. That's why it's so important to choose a stable email infrastructure like the one offered by Mailtrap. It includes actionable analytics and deliverability alerts, ready-to-use DNS records for easy domain authentication, automatic DKIM rotation, warmed-up IP addresses, suppression lists for bounce and unsubscribe management, email categories to distinguish between different types of emails, and 99.9% server uptime. That wraps up our quick overview of email infrastructure. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send, and control your email infrastructure in one place. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More email-related content is on the way. See you there!